So how important is it to, put efforts for your partner, dress a certain way, look a certain way just for them?
I think it is very important. I remember watching this American program many years ago where there is this guy and he's blind. So women like him and he gets a lot of dates even though he's blind. And so he's gone out with somebody. And when they're sitting at the restaurant and eating, the waiter comes along, somebody comes along and says to the woman something about her clothes. And this guy says to her, he says, are you not dressed up? And she says, no, I thought you can't actually see me anyway. So how does it matter whether I'm dressed up or not? And he says, but you didn't even think I was worth dressing up for, even though, even if I can't see you. Do you not think that I'm worth that much? Yeah. And that has always stuck with me. I think it's important.
It is important. I totally agree with you. But I also have there's also a different, thought to it. That you want to feel, or maybe you are most comfortable with the person you love the most. जिसके साथ आप सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील करते हो, आपको लगता है कि मुझे उसके साथ एफर्ट डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज we are one. Why should I try to be or put so much effort for you? Because you are तो mine only. तेरे लिए अभी इतना क्या तैयार होना है? पार्टी में जाएंगे तो सज धज के जाएंगे. So that mentality. एक तरफ ये thought है और दूसरी तरफ the thought which you just said, effort, how much effort you're ready to put in, how do you want to make the other person feel?
Yeah. So this is what I'm saying. It doesn't have to be all the time. Yeah. But I think that effort for your partner is really important for them to think that they are worth it. Or just little things. Like I'll always say to him that if you want to make an effort for me, make sure you're always wearing your aftershave. I love you with aftershave. अब घर में बैठे मंडरा रहे हैं तो aftershave लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है पर मुझे अच्छा लगता है. It makes me feel like he's done it for me.
Exactly.
I think it's really important. It's like when we say, like somebody that you're really close to and you say, they do something for you and you say, thank you so much. And people say, अरे नहीं, अपनों को thank you नहीं बोलते. My belief is कि अपनों को thank you ज़्यादा कहते हैं. हम बाहर वालों को thank you कह के रह जाते हैं. Your अपनों को is who you should be saying thank you to a lot more.
Yeah.
So that's where you need to show your appreciation.
Exactly. Very true. Very true. I realized this at a very later stage of my married life. Initially, मैं ये इस चीज़ की मेरे को नहीं समझ थी and I used to be like कि ठीक है अभी शादी हो गई अपना ही पति है क्या घर में पजामे में बैठो टॉन्ट एकदम जैसे मर्जी. But then I don't know whether I read it somewhere or how it occurred to me कि नहीं it is important for me to अगर मैं बाहर किसी और के लिए तैयार होके जाती हूँ तो I think my husband deserves that more than anyone else. So I bought new night suits, proper loungewear and everything कि जिस इंसान के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा एफर्ट डालने चाहिए उसके लिए हम सबसे कम एफर्ट डालते हैं. I started making sure that whenever we are going out for dates, I'm looking at my best. I'm wearing the right perfume and everything. Now we both make sure that we dress up for each other. Yeah. And we make sure that we are making each other feel special. And that has really changed the relationship.
Because you give them that value. Na? Nobody teaches us how to have relationships, little things.
So true.
And when the way it is taught, especially to women, it just sounds so sexist because you're like, make yourself beautiful for your husband all the time. No, it's a mutual thing. It falls under what I call sexism because it's a very sexist idea. It's not a nice idea. And it's just this thing about, because the expectation was always from women. Always. And we have to also learn that, okay, there is a certain thing that you do for your partner because you want to make them happy.
We complain that the spark is not alive or it's been so many years. We don't feel the same. We don't make any efforts
to make the spark come alive.
Thank you so much for watching this clip and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy the entire conversation even more. Link of full podcast is in the description below.